Hey, horsey. You seen the horse, Tinker? Oh, the horse is having a pee.
Hello.
Oh, careful, because the horse has put his head down to say hello, Tinker.
Come on, Tinker.
Hello. Careful, Aiden. She's probably scared of it. Make sure it doesn't like bite her or something. You say that, it might just swallow her head whole. Hello.
Probably good.
Oh, he didn't like me. Did you see that?
He's going to lick your hand.
He wasn't going to lick my hand. He didn't like me.
They don't bite. Horses don't bite.
He didn't like me though. Look.
They don't like it back off.
Well, that's the thing. He doesn't like me then. He backs off every time I go near. Hey, horsey over there.